All right, so today we are going to learn how to start a diary entry, and then you're going to use your plan to write your diary entry. We're learning about this so that we can make sure that our readers are engaged in what we write and they're more likely to continue reading our diary entry. And we're going to learn this by looking at strong examples of beginnings of diaries, and we're going to use transition words. All right, so to remind us, what is my prompt and what is your prompt? My prompt is to write from the perspective of the hare in the tortoise with the hare. Your prompt is to write from the perspective of the tortoise. So I'm writing as if I was the hare. You're writing as if you are the tortoise about what happened the day of the race. What does this look and sound like? What does it look like and sound like to write a diary entry from the perspective of one of the characters? Let's see. Here's my example. And you can skip ahead if you want to read it on your own. Monday, April 6, 2020. Dear Diary, whoa, today was quite a day. Today I raced a tortoise. Remember, I'm the hare. And I was totally blown by how he beat me. It all started this morning when I was walking back from the market. As I was walking, I saw Mr. Tortoise walking so slowly. I mean, I could walk faster than him on my slowest day. Hey, Mr. Tortoise, how are you so slow? I yelled at him as I ran around him. Well, Mr. Hare, a wise woman once said that it's not how fast you go, but your effort that is more important, replied Mr. Tortoise. Whatever. There is no way that logic is going to hold up in a race, dude, I yelled back. A crowd of animals started to gather around us, interested in our discussion. Interesting that you say that, because I was just about to challenge you to a race today in 30 minutes at Grant Park, he suggested. Bet, you're on. Get ready to lose, Mr. Tortoise, I hollered as I ran home to grab my sneakers. I ran home, grabbed my sneakers, and raced to the park. The whole neighborhood was there, Mr. Fox, Miss Snail, and even Mr. Parrot. While I waited for this slowpoke, I stretched and jogged in place to keep my body warm. I was going to run this tortoise out of town. This is going to be a walk in the park. Ha!